If you want to build a career in the exciting and wonderful field of digital marketing, I think you'll be happy to hear this. Marketing is a field that can be fully self-taught, and the online programs and resources available to help you on this path is plenty. You can get from not knowing what a marketer does to landing your first official role as an entry-level marketer in a matter of a couple of months if you take the right steps. Given that you've decided that you want a career move into digital marketing and you want to gain the marketing skills to help attract customers to an online business or to the organization that you're a part of, how do you choose the right program for you? In this video, I'll review Google's digital marketing and e-commerce certificate that is offered on Coursera, and at the time of filming this video, more than 418,000 people have enrolled in this course, and it is reviewed and rated at 4.8 stars by 16,000 people. That is pretty impressive. Let's get into it. First off, in this video, I'll cover some details about the program, which I'm sure is going to answer some FAQs. Then we'll review the content together. We'll look at the 7 different courses in the program. Then we'll talk about who this program is best for, how to make the most of it, and what happens after graduating the program. Are you going to be ready to land a job? If you're ready, let's get started with the details. So the program suggests a 6-month completion period when you dedicate 10 hours per week. Once you enroll, I noticed that it already suggests a study schedule for you, and it can even block it in your calendar as well to make sure that you're accountable, make sure that you commit to the study schedule. So that's helpful. You'll be able to gain the skills for an entry-level job upon completion. No prior experience is necessary, which is great. 100% online, and it is self-paced. Certificates are taught by Google themselves. The professional certificate can be added to your resume and LinkedIn, which gives it a lot more credibility if you ask me. So that is another huge bonus. So who is this program for? Basically any learner who is keen on gaining digital marketing or e-commerce skills and wants to land an entry-level job in these fields or wants to make a career move into these fields. The caveat with this program is that it focuses on digital marketing and e-commerce at the same time, but it is very important to mention that these two fields are separate in nature. So a digital marketer does not have to have e-commerce knowledge, or an e-commerce expert does not have to have digital marketing skills. So while you're doing the courses, if you want to focus more on the digital marketing knowledge and skills, then you can do that, but the program offers you both as a complementary knowledge and package. So take advantage of it or prioritize your learning plan accordingly, but that's something important to point out. Another important question is, how do you make the most of this program? Number one, follow the study schedule that you committed to. I think that is the quintessential thing that I have to get across first. But then I'd also say browse and participate in the conversations that happen in the discussion forums. There's a lot of great things happening there. You can meet people, make connections, get inspired, do brainstorming, answer your questions, etc. And then I also noticed there is a private community for learners and graduates of this program, which can also be very helpful to make more connections or keep in touch with other people who have taken this program and see what happened with their career journeys. And the final thing I'd suggest here is complement your learnings by reading more material from different sources, subscribe to email newsletters that focus on marketing to just immerse yourself more in the space and just get as much information about marketing as possible. Let's discuss what to do after graduating from the program. If any program or any online resource course told you that you'd get a job after graduating, they'd be lying. What a course or program can do is to help you get much closer to the finish line, to give you the tools and the right information and skills to land a job in digital marketing. So putting your learnings into practice and getting hands-on experience that you can put on your resume and showcase those skills is up to you. Depending on your case, this could look a little bit different. So if you're already working in an organization, but maybe in a different business unit, have a different role, what you could potentially do is ask to be more involved in marketing related projects, or maybe be the point of contact for marketing stakeholders, or get involved in an e-commerce related project that the business is launching. The examples are endless, but you get the point. So try to do some crossover within digital marketing or e-commerce or the online side of the business. That's number one. Maybe if that's not available to you, or you don't have prior experience, you're not already working with a company, then what you can do is look for internships, apprenticeships, volunteer or freelance opportunities that can help you transform that skill and knowledge into hands-on experience. You can then showcase to land a full-time job. I will leave some resources that can be very helpful for you about seeking these opportunities in the description of the video, so make sure to check that out. The program consists of 7 courses, and Google suggests to take them in order because the content builds up on the previous sections. However, here's my take. If you're not interested in the e-commerce focus as much, but really want to focus on the digital marketing skills, then I think you can customize your own study schedule and prioritize the learning plan according to your needs and how you want it to go. In the courses, you will learn about what an e-commerce specialist or digital marketing specialist does day to day, look at the career paths, look at where these roles or where these units sit in the larger organization. What does a day-to-day look like? What are some of the essential skills that you need to be in these roles? You'll understand the foundations of digital marketing, the marketing funnel, how to engage with customers along each stage of the customer journey. You'll understand how to work on search engine optimization projects, digital marketing campaigns, e-commerce strategies, email marketing, customer loyalty programs, and a lot more. Now let's take a look at the course flow in detail, and we'll see all the things that you'll learn in this program. As I already mentioned, there are 7 courses within the program. First one obviously kicks off with the foundations of digital marketing and e-commerce. It's more of a descriptive module or course, if you ask me. So you're really defining what it means to have a digital marketing career or an e-commerce career, different types of roles, the responsibilities and what that role really entails. What does it look like on a day-to-day basis? And after the introductions are complete, you then move on to learn more about the marketing funnel, which is basically the foundation of everything in marketing. So you'll learn about some of those key concepts that you might have already heard about, like top of the funnel, customer journey. So you start to get to familiarize with those things and what is a touch point along the customer journey, those kinds of things. Later on, you'll start learning more about how to apply that marketing funnel concept to the stages of the customer journey, engagement, conversion, loyalty. You'll then learn SEO, which is an extremely important tool to help become more findable and to reach your potential customers. Next up is interacting with customers online. Learning how to create marketing content and ads, and using social media platforms to create engaging content. And then how do you also measure the effectiveness of the work that you're doing when it comes to social media and content campaigns? Email marketing, extremely important, especially because this course overlaps e-commerce and digital marketing. Email marketing obviously comes into play as a very, very important tool. So you'll learn how to create email marketing campaigns, use mailing lists, and maybe even automate customer communication and workflow. If any foundational digital marketing course skipped the next one, I'd probably have some doubts, but next up, we're learning about marketing analytics and measurement, something I'm quite passionate about. If you've ever watched any of my previous videos, you're going to learn how to collect, monitor, analyze, and present data from the marketing campaigns using analytics and presentation tools. While you're going through these courses, you're also going to be learning about certain tools and technologies that can be used for the different pieces and tools that you're learning about. Course 6 is the one that really focuses on e-commerce and making the sales and building, launching, managing online stores. So this is where you will learn all about e-commerce stores and how to drive traffic using the marketing tools and skills that you've learned, and how to do advertising campaigns as well. If this is not a priority, just make note of it that course 6 is the one that's really focused on e-commerce stores. Number 7 is where you will learn all about customer loyalty. It's extremely important. I think it doesn't only apply in e-commerce context, but you can also take this information and apply it into different organizations, different types of roles, in the case that you're not going to be overlapping your digital marketing and e-commerce skills. But here you're going to learn strategies to build customer loyalty and use different tools and learn about different tools that can help you maintain client relationships. This course will also close out the program with professional development topics and will give you the tools to help you on your job search. Throughout the courses, you can expect to see a lot of video recordings, reading material, discussion forums, discussion prompts, quizzes, assignments, and all of that. Well, the demand for digital marketing and e-commerce skills is higher than ever before. There's an explosion of online businesses, and if you're ready to transform your career and life, then you can sign up for a 7-day trial of the Google Digital Marketing and e-commerce certificate. For the 7-day trial period, you won't be charged anything. You can audit the program, you can look at the different courses and think about how you want to do the study schedule, if this program is right for you, if it's aligned for your goals. After the trial period is over, you'll be charged the monthly fee for the Coursera platform. This is going to change depending on your location. Having a monthly subscription means that you can take multiple courses that are offered on the platform, so that's another bonus. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. You can find the link to sign up for the free trial in the description box below, as well as the comments. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your loved ones. I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.